So tinnitus. Tinnitus is one of those problems that seems to plague about 50 million people in our country. It's not a coincidence that there's also about 50 million people who are suffering with hearing loss. So the most common symptom of patients with hearing loss, whether they detect it or not, is actually that ringing in the ears. So tinnitus or tinnitus, either way you say it, we're talking about ringing, swishing, buzzing, those phantom sounds inside your ears or brain that are actually telling you there's a significant problem. So hearing loss is a progressive degenerative disorder. And as those nerves break down from ear to brain, we notice that there's this extra activity in the brain that we hear as ringing. The good news is that at our practices, we have an 80% effective treatment rate. That's right. So even though you may have been told, oh, there's nothing we can do, there's actually FDA-approved treatments that can help reduce the ringing and help you to hear better and live a better life.